In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the Brewster's angle experiment. To start off, make sure the laser is on and do not look directly into it. I've already attached the spectrophotometer table to the workbench. And what we're going to do now is we're going to set the angle indicator to 180. On the table. And then on the Brewster's angle accessory, we're going to set the indicator to 0 relative to the table. And it did get loose, so we're going to go back underneath and we're going to tighten the wing nut. There we go. Okay. With the laser on, we're going to look and confirm the laser is at least close in the slit. Make sure that the aperture bracket is set to slit number 5. And then we're going to take our collimating slits, and once again, make sure these are set to number 5. We're going to place it on the bench, as such. And then we're going to adjust the lens mount so that the 0 marker line up. And we're going to go on the other side and we're going to adjust. Right now it doesn't look too bad. But we're going to use you'll use the vertical and horizontal adjustments to align the laser so that's in the center, which right now it is pretty good. So we'll leave it as is. Next, we're going to take our D lens and place it on the lower mount as such. Making sure to keep that orientation in. So now we're going to check and make sure that the laser is still in the center, which it isn't. So we need to slide this D lens side to side until it is. That's about roughly centered. After that, we're going to place the beam splitter on the track. Just make sure it is between the D lens and the collimating slits. Just anywhere on the track, it doesn't matter. Make sure you leave some room for the polarizers, which we'll attach momentarily. After attaching this, we're going to go back and check. Whoops, make sure you attach it the correct way. There we go. Then we're going to check and confirm that the laser beam is still, in fact, relatively center. Let's go around the other side here. Just double check. I think I'll make some fine adjustments. There we go. Okay. Next, we have two polarizers, one here, one here. The end with the brass knob will be facing the lens, and the other polarizer will be facing the laser. The polarizer with the knob is set to 45 degrees, so make sure you do that. And we do this because the light on the laser is already polarized, so we set the polarization to a 45-degree angle. We will get equal components of both the parallel and perpendicular set of lines. And we'll go ahead and attach that. Next, we're going to take our second optics bench with a high sensitivity light sensor with another aperture bracket. Make sure it is set to number 5 as well. And we're going to place it on the bench here. Make sure it is perpendicular. And make sure it is entering looks like it's entering the slit. Okay. Once you've got this set up, you'll take all 3 of your sensors and connect them to the 850. In the next video, we'll show you the calibration procedure for the laser and then data collection.